Hello everyone. In the previous video, we discussed about the pricing procedure. That's a very small example where we had discussed about that how to create pricing procedure and how to get familiar with the pricing procedure, how to take input, how to you see the output. These things we discussed. In the today's session, we will discuss about the price adjustment schedules. Okay. First of all, the question arises that what is the price adjustment schedules? Okay. So in the price adjustment schedules, actually, look, whatever we discuss, meaning from this session or later on, we will discuss multiple sessions. And in all of the sessions, we will only discuss about the pricing. Majorly, we discuss about the price, how to set up the price. Okay. And in that particular, we only discuss about the discounts. Okay, means that's means if you take about the discounts or adding, that's the thing. Means majorly we discuss about the discounts, but we have the few more thing adding add-ons, something like that. But everything was related somehow related to the we have a fix, means we have a base price and then we are calculating some other prices. So majorly we are calculating more either adding a price or removing the price. That's particular. So price adjustment schedule is also a kind of a price adjustment. Okay, as the name says, it's a price adjustment. What they are doing, it's only to give the discounts. Okay, oh sorry, only to give discount. Okay, discount. Okay, now in particularly means if you talk about that how we can give the discounts, that basically we have a three types of that discounts. We know that either it will be automatic or manual. Okay, we will discuss about automatic. Okay, we will, because revenue cloud is for this one automation, not for the manual discount. Means we are giving the discounts, but either calculating some automatic discounts or we are doing the manual discount. So first we will today we will majorly focus on the automatic discounts. Okay, how to give automatic discounts. And so first is that automatic or manual. In that also we have particularly three types. Okay, volume based, attribute based, and third one is bundle based. Okay, so we have a three types of discount. Majorly these three types of discounts we are applying. Okay, first one is volume based. Volume based means that let's suppose that user purchasing the bulk of items. Okay, let's suppose that user purchasing we have a situation that if user purchase 50 items, for an example, if user purchase 50 items, then give him 10% discount. Okay, if user purchase 51 to 70 item, then give him 15% discount, and 71 to 100, then 20% discount, and 100 plus 25% discount. Okay, so that is what this is the number of quantity, mean based on the quantity if you are giving discounts. Okay, that discounts is known as a volume based discounts based on the quantity. This one, why it's not choosing the color here. Okay, so if we are providing a discount on the basis of a quantity, means how what is the number of amount that user purchasing, on the basis of that we are providing the discounts, then we are definitely giving we are utilizing the volume based discount. Okay, and one more thing, don't get confused with the price book here. Don't get confused. Okay, don't get confused with the price book, because price books is because in the previous session we discussed about that. Let's suppose that we have to give some discounts if a retail customer, then we have a wholesale, and then we have a corporate. Okay, so we are giving him some price, that is just suppose 100, then the wholesale customer will be 80, corporate will be 90. So that is also kind of a discount. Okay, but don't get confused with this one to this one. Okay, Here we are also reducing the prices, and here these prices also get reducing. But don't get confused with the price books and the discounts. Okay, price books are different thing. Price books are applicable on the per unit. Okay, per unit it will be get applicable on the per unit, but it's not per unit pricing. Okay, it's not per unit pricing. If you are purchasing that this number of quantity, then you will get the discounts. Okay, so don't get confused with that per unit price and means price books with any discount types. Okay, don't get confused with that. So keeping that apart, okay, so first one is that volume based discount, which means that on the basis of quantity we are providing the discount. And then we have attribute based discount. Attribute based, or we can say that attribute based pricing. If we let's suppose talk about the discount or a pricing, so it's also the thing that, because sometimes you will say red uh, red color red color is costlier than black. Okay, because black is a common one. So if you purchase the red, then it will be get costlier. So based on the color, or this 8 GB 16 GB, this is also right. Remember last time we discussed about this variant. So based on that particular, we have also different pricing. We are giving discounts, or we can say that, so the pricing. Okay, or third one is bundle based. Bundle based is something like that. Let's suppose that we have to purchase you have to purchase a laptop, mouse, and a bag. Okay, laptop cost 71,000, mouse cost let's suppose that 1,000, bag cost it's also 1,500. Okay, so total will be 73500. That is the total cost. So in the bundle based discount, instead of giving 7,350, it will give 7 to 7, or let's say not 7 to, it's not good one. Okay, it will be 7 to I'm just confusing myself, something like 7,149. Okay, okay, that can also be that's this can be, or 7,199, 7,199. Okay, that can be. So this is a bundle discount. Okay, when you purchasing all together, if you are purchasing all together, then you will get this one. If you purchase individually, you will get this amount. So this uh, a adjustment schedule, its price adjustment schedule is talking about the how we can apply discounts. And discounts have three types: volume based, attribute based, or bundle based. Volume based means quantity, attribute based means that RAM, color, SSDs, different attributes that we discussed earlier. And then we have a bundle based. Bundle based means that if you are purchasing multiple items all together, then we have a bundle based discount. Okay, so that is that. Let's do some hands on and we will learn from there. Okay, so here we are coming to this price adjustment schedule. How to reach it up over up here? You just need to go to the app launcher and search for price adjustment schedules. Okay, once you come up here, you will be seeing this one. This is a, so let's create a record for the price adjustment schedule. The name will be, let's suppose that my price adjustment schedule. Okay, effective date means when it will start and when it will stop. So I will just use this one, and let's say this one, make it active. We are on which we are right now. Let's discuss about the volume based discount. So we are utilizing volume range, because we are talking about the 0 to 50, 5 to 10, something like that. And the price book, select which price book we have to apply. So right now I'm just utilizing the standard price book and save. Okay, first we need to make it stop, then sorry, first we need to create the price adjustments tiers then. Okay, so we are here now. Let's go to this related and you will find this price adjustment tiers. Okay, price adjustment tiers. So just click on new. Okay, in the new, first select, let's suppose select the product, on which product we need to apply. So Samsung Galaxy X26, that is our product. Tier will be what percent, what amount that you are to give discount. So let's suppose that we are giving a discount of 10%. Lower bound will be 5 and upper bound will be 50. So 5 to 50, if the quantity value is 5 to 50, then it will give 10% of discount. Product selling model, you can choose, you cannot, but for I think sorry, you choose it for one time. That is our, okay. Effective date, effective start, you can choose it or you can leave it. If it don't choose it, then it will be applicable for all. So let's save it. Because on the top we applied the effective date, that's why it's asking. We could not save. Why it's not? Because please refresh the page and try. This one is red, this one is red. Lower one. Okay. Sorry, it's one. Okay, so this is for the 5 to 50. Then let's go ahead and create few more for different one. Let me create some more records. Again, I'm going to back and creating new. Product is 26, tier is percentage. And now I'm going to give 15% discount. Lower bound is 51, upper bound will be 70. Then one more as 26 percentage, 20% discount. Lower bound is 71, upper bound is 100. 22 1st of July, save. And then we have one more. Rest 26, type is percentage, 25%. Lower bound is 100. Upper bound, we don't need any upper bound, means it will be any number of quantity that you can choose except that. You can see. So we saved it. Okay, we saved this information. Now our uh, price adjustment schedule is ready, so we need to activate it. Just need to activate here. Let's go here and let's activate this price adjustment schedule. Okay, that is done. Now we need to utilize this price adjustment schedule so that it will be get applicable. Okay, in order to make it applicable, we need to utilize it where we need to utilize it at pricing procedure. Okay, in the pricing procedure we will utilize this price adjustment schedule to calculate the exact right price. So let's go back to our pricing procedure. For that you can go at home and then I think pricing procedure is from here. We can also go checking. No, so let's search for the pricing procedure. Okay, pricing procedure, and this one will be created yesterday, so I will utilize the same one. Open. Okay, so here we did already, we just add one more called volume discount. Okay, volume discount is get added. Okay, it's open now. Let me open my pricing procedure to get help from the already created. So I will get not proration. Okay. So first one is that volume discount entries. Then we have input and output variables. Okay, here again input and output variables. So first one, price adjustment schedules. So type price adjustment schedules. Lower bound will be, I think its name is low or something. Or let me check it. I think the item rate adjustment lower bound, but let me check. Line item quantity. Sorry, line item quantity, because it will calculate on the basis of a line item quantity. So line item quantity. Same thing for upper bound too. Quantity. Product will be product selling model. Product selling model. Effective from effective from effective to what will be the type? Nothing. Input. Quantity as net item quantity, line item quantity. Line item quantity. Net unit price. Net unit price. Oh, sorry, list price. List price. Okay. Output we need to add nothing. Okay. So that we did. Let's save it and simulate. Simulate. Once you click on the simulate, let's see that here product is at effective to. We need to just type in the same format. So it will be 2026 dash 06 dash 22T 00 colon 00 00 colon 00 and then I think Z and then dot 000 Z. Price book as a price adjustment schedule. Let me copy the ID of the price adjustment schedule. Here it is. Price adjustment schedule. We created this one. Let's copy the ID. Simulate. Oh. Format. Okay, it's capital Z. Okay, so 5 units, there is no discount will be there. Let's back. Oh shit. So let's go back here and check the quantity to 6. So now I think first one, that 10% discount will be applicable. Okay. is no discount applicable. Pricing schedule is active 5 to 50. Oh, sorry, it's from 12 p.m. 21.